All right, you guys, you hear that theme music? You know what time it is. We're about to get the grilling up in the Ninja Foodi grill. Let's get into it. Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we got something special for you. I'm gonna be doing some jerk pork, you guys. So I'm gonna get to jerking this up and marinating this, and then we're gonna put it on the Ninja Foodi grill. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some walkerswood. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna marinate it with this. I'm gonna hook it up with my special blend seasoning. That's my allspice. And then as it's grilling, I'm gonna use my mop sauce. You know what I'm saying? My jerk mop sauce to put on top. So, all right, you guys, so let's get into getting this together. This is about half a tablespoon. Put about that much on each one of them. Next, you want to do, and make sure when you, if you're ever using this seasoning, I'm just gonna let you know, use some gloves because it has spices in it, stuff like that. So if you have a cut, you don't want to burn yourself. So just make sure you do that. So like I said, rub it in pretty good, you know, on there. Flip it over. Do the same on the other side. This marinade stretches out pretty well, and rub it onto the other one. Flip it on the other side. And you probably wonder, like, man, you know, as far as it being even on each side, you don't have to worry about that because the way this seasoning works, you know what I'm saying, and how I'm gonna mop it, every piece is gonna have some flavor to it. So now that all of them are, you know, pretty covered, what I'm gonna do is season it. Season with all-purpose seasoning. Now you can do this with any seasoning that you have. You know, they do have, you know, a jerk seasoning, but you know, this is really just some all-purpose seasoning, not jerk seasoning, stuff like this. So make sure you season all sides thoroughly, and let this marinate. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag and let it marinate for, but I say a good marinade for jerk, you can do 24 hours. But if you want to have, you know what I'm saying, a good flavor to it and you're in a rush, you know what I'm saying, do it for about an hour. You know what I'm saying, let it marinate with a jerk marinade. You know what I'm saying? So what I'll do is, let me get over to putting these in the bag and we'll get the Ninja Foodi grill on. All right, so it's ready. Put these and marinate it for about an hour. So what I'm gonna do, mop on the mop sauce, the jerk mop sauce. Smelling good. Oh shoot, it smells good. Smell like it's supposed to be. Come on, that's what I'm talking about. That's you know what I'm saying? My mop sauce do its thing. All right, you guys, so we're gonna put it down and let it get to cooking. And I'll be probably jumping in there to add a little mop sauce. So leave it in there for about 10 minutes. And you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna open it up and mop on some more, you know, when it gets ready. I'm basting the other side with the jerk sauce to finish it off. All right, you guys, so let it finish cooking up and then it should be done. All right, you guys, so I'm getting ready to take it out. It's done. Sounds like it's sizzling. You know what I'm saying? Check it out, guys. What you think? Smells good. So these jerk pork chops are pretty good. Came out pretty, coming out smoking. So hopefully you guys like this recipe. It was pretty good. You know, I'll probably share my mop sauce in the future. You know, let me know if you try this out. You know what I'm saying? And tell me what you think. If you ever had jerk pork, you know what I'm saying, or you're not familiar with it, let me know too that in the comments. But I love Jamaican jerk because we went over to Jamaica, you know what I'm saying, to Pork Pit and Scotchies. They have the best jerk pork and jerk chicken, you guys. So I had to bring it home for my vacation on how to make outside jerk pork, Jamaican jerk pork, indoors on a Ninja Foodi grill. So hope to see you guys in the next video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know, keep up with these latest wonderful, yummy dishes, you guys. And see that? Excellent. So see you next time, you guys.